All right, we're rolling. Hey, Garden Fam, there's 2 Macs in the pack. Mommy Mac.
Science.
And Baby Mac, Little Mac. Today, to help us in our garden, we're going to learn a little bit more about what is actually going on in the leaves. And because of the spelling words that you all have had this last week in your class, we're going to talk about 4 of them.
Stomata, guard cells, chlorophyll, chlorophyll and chloroplast.
Okay, what is stomata? Let's read from the book. Yeah.
Stomata, a tiny opening found under the surface of plants that takes in carbon dioxide but releases water and oxygen.
Okay, so basically what this thing does is inside the plant. Beast, what are you doing?
I'm putting it down.
Okay. So what the stomata does is found under the surface of the plant. Okay, so like the leaves, that takes in all of the what?
Carbon dioxide, but releases water and oxygen.
Releases water and oxygen. And also inside a plant cell, you have what's called a vacuole. The vacuoles are really big because they hold the water. And when we look at our plant, we have a plant, a leaf.
Sunflower leaf.
A sunflower leaf from our garden. And I'm going to bring it a little closer so you can see it. Where is the thing? Here. You see? Ooh. Okay. So we're putting it on the top. Huh?
The other two.
We got to talk about stomata first.
Okay.
All right. So what the stomata does, it opens and closes. Opens and closes to release the carbon dioxide. We are the ones that also release carbon dioxide. How do we release carbon dioxide? How exactly? How do we take in oxygen? Exactly. What releases oxygen?
Plants.
So the plant does the same thing, but when it takes in that carbon dioxide, it then transforms it inside the plant to oxygen, and it releases that beautiful stuff to us, and we take it in. Oh Lord! What? So it opens, closes, and it releases what?
Oxygen.
Well, no. Yes, water and
oxygen.
Yeah. Okay. Very good. So we're gonna take a look at this plant leaf. We're gonna see if we can't see the tiny opening of the stomata. So let me try to find it first. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Now, I'm going to see if I can move it. Now, under the microscope, everything is backwards. You got, if you push it forward, you're actually pushing it back under the microscope. If you push it to the left, you're actually pushing it to the right under the microscope. So I see one, and it is open. So I'm going to put the pointer on it so that you can see it, okay? I'm going to put the pointer on it so you can see it better. All right? So it's up to my right, so I need to push it back and to my left. Make sure I do that right. Back. Go back. I missed it. There. Up. Now, I'm going to show you what I see. Okay?
Okay.
What I see is it's called the xylem. We're going to get to that next. But it's vein. Up. And then it has a little box right here. Box right. That's what it looks like here. And then and a box right there, and a box right there. And in the center of the little box is the stomata, and it's open right here.
Can I see?
Yep. You see the little line deal?
Yeah.
Do you see the little circular thing?
Nope. Oh yeah, I do.
Okay, do you see that it is open?
Oh wait,
Like a
no,
circle?
I don't see it.
Yeah. Oh, let me see. The pointer is on it.
I don't see a pointer.
You don't see this. Look inside there. You see that little line that's moving?
It's so small.
It's teeny tiny. And it's a circle. Looks just like that.
Oh, I see it now.
Okay. It's an open stomata, which means if it's open,
It's a healthy plant, right?
right, a tiny opening found under the surface of plants that takes in carbon dioxide but releases water. You're going to move it completely if you touch it.
But I already moved it with my breath from my accident.
Okay, let me see. Come on. Come on.
But it still looks cool.
Mm-hmm.
And then,
All right. And all of, hold on, let's stay focused. Let's stay focused. Then, the guard cell.
I want to do that.
What is a guard cell?
A guard cell is the guard cell is cells that control the opening and closing of the stomata.
Okay, so that means that I would have to take this magnifying, what is this? Microscope, and magnify it to a higher point in order to see the guard cell.
Why don't you take the phone and put it on there?
It's not gonna work.
It's not.
Okay, so I'm gonna move it to a higher magnitude. Oops, I just moved it. Let me scoop. Stage down. And to turn this up. Bless you. Up. Ooh, that is.
I want to see.
Hold on, let me make it clear. Come on. It might be harder to see the guard cell simply because I don't have any tools to cut this finer than what it is. I see. Hold on. I just need to get it clear, Taylor. I just need to get it clear. Be patient. You can't help me to do anything on this. Hold on. Okay, come here.
Okay.
It may be harder to see the guard cells.
Oh wow.
What she's looking at.
That's pretty cool.
Okay.
That's not.
It's an eraser for right now. So what she's looking at is a magnified version of what we saw. So she sees,
A square and then let's do
but the guard cell is around
Ow.
a stomata like this. Remember, this is the cell. This is the stomata. These are the guard cells.
Cool.
They open and close this stomata. So right now, this is in a position of open. All right. So that's what Taylor sees. So next,
It's chlorophyll.
Next is what?
Chlorophyll.
We're not gonna be able to see the chlorophyll.
Because it's already on.
It's already on there.
Because it's green.
Because it's what color?
Green.
Green. Yes.
Chlorophyll.
Green.
Hold on. I want my notebook paper to. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green substance in plants that absorbs energy from sunlight.
Very good. Chloroplast.
Chloroplast is the part of a plant cell that contains chlorophyll, where photosynthesis takes place in the cell.
Very good. What is xylem? I saw xylem, but Tell me what xylem is.
Xylem is the tissue through which water and minerals move up in a plant.
I'm going to show you the xylem. This is
Huh?
one thing that you can see without
It's
the
the veins on the
microscope.
plant?
It's the vein. I'm going to show you. I don't know if you can see that. There it is.
Oh,
See that? All
That's
those
the
little
xylem.
veins. Right. And the spaces in between those little squares that you saw, that's the xylem. And if you want to see the xylem at work, get a carnation. Hold on. Get a carnation. Put some food coloring in the water and watch that white carnation or whatever color carnation change to the color of the food coloring that you put. If you put pink food coloring in there,
pink.
the carnation is going to be pink. If you put purple, it's going to be purple. If you put black, it's going to be what color?
Black.
Exactly.
And I read. So.
Yes.
Okay, and the phloem is the tissue through which food from the leaves moves throughout the rest of the plant.
Exactly. So, Taylor wants to show you what we picked off our garden, and this is also for our
Yay!
garden family.
Yeah.
Because so far we're this is our first time gardening, and we have gotten it's our first time gardening at home, anywhere actually, and we had 4 pole beans, about a handful of blueberries, 2 peaches, no plums yet, no apples yet. I think by the end of September we should have some sunflower seeds. Oh, we have watermelons that won't get past this little size. They may not be getting fertilized. And tomatoes, and we have this beautiful tomato we picked today. Put on, yeah. So we picked it off, and we're gonna let it finish ripening inside the house. So yeah. So remember, anything green is what is a chloroplast or chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. Let's do the
Chlorophyll.
strawberry.
Anything that is green, has green plant, that is because of chlorophyll. Huh?
Do the strawberry
You
seed.
can't put the strawberry seed on there because I don't have a.
I mean, not the leaf.
Oh. These are pretty thick. The light has to pass through it. So let's find out. Let's put it on a lower setting. Let's see.
It's gonna pass through.
I cannot. You want me to get it so that you can see it? Okay.
I really don't see.
Woo! Wow. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
You want to draw what you see?
Yeah.
Draw what you see.
Okay.
Don't get it on your shirt.
I'm not. So what I see is like, since the leaf is green, it's gonna be red for now. So
Okay.
I see like almost I see the tip of it. So basically, it kind of looks like that.
Okay.
And then they're like veins and xylem.
What is it called?
Xylem. Something like that.
Okay.
And then
Okay.
somewhere like towards the end, there's like a dark line.
Okay. That's because the plant has started to turn brown, and that's what she's seeing. That brown part of
And
the
then
plant.
on the edge, it's kind of like that.
Okay. It's frayed.
Okay.
It's nice. Way to go. Want you to show them your drawing? This is what she's seeing. Okay. These lines are the xylem, and these are the cells of the plant. Okay, this is the body of that leaf that she saw. No. All right. All right, we're gone. Thank you, garden family.
Hi.
2 backs and a pack.
That was science with Molly Mac and Little Mac. Bye.
Bye.